My name is Raghavendra Reddy. I am Managing Director of Radiant Group. We have been in this field since 1998. Radiant started in 2007. Earlier I was with some other group. Presently we are doing almost 12 projects which is ongoing and another 6 projects is upcoming. And almost we have finished more than 2,000 flats in last 7 years. And presently we have almost inventory of 500 flats in and around Bangalore. Most flats are available in Hosur Road and Whitefield. Then if we take in the marketing point of view, so with G-Rank we have been in this field since 2 to 3 years. We are getting excellent response from G-Rank, and convertible also compared to other portables this is very good. Almost more than 50% of our sales it is from G-Rank only. From the portal if you take, other portals are getting only 50%, only G-Rank we are getting only 50%. So almost quarterly we are paying him 3 to 4 lakhs, we are giving orders. We are getting very good response, and we are continuing. We would like to continue with G-Rank for in future also.